Hey everybody, Greg here. We're going to try the $50 and $100 explosion loaded with exclusively with $50 and $100 prizes. So here we go. We're going to go backwards on it because we got tickets 19, 18, and 17. We're going to save ticket 17 for last because that's my lucky number. So here we go. Let's see what we got. Number 30, 27, 36, 37, and 34. Pesky 1, 33, 14, 21, 40, 22, 19, 5, 24, 10 off, close but no cigar, 15, 13, 28, 1 off, 4, 32, 7, 11, 18, 20, and 23. No good on ticket 19. Let's try ticket 18. Here we go. 15, 18, 37, 2, 5, and 24. 32, 30, 3, another 1 off, 13, 36, 23, and 9, 14, 1, and 34, 19, 20, 7, 27, 10 off, 29, 21, 12, 8, 4, another 1 off, and 16, another 1 off. Close, but that don't get us there. But all we need is one ticket to win, and that's this ticket right here, ticket 17. That's my lucky number. So here we go. Here's our lucky number. It's gonna get it right here. This is the ticket: 29, 11, 34, 26, 36, and 6. 26, 36, and 6. One of those 6s has got to be a winner. 20, 38, 19, 14, 40, 21, 23, 15, 17. There's my lucky number showing up again. Maybe that's a good sign. 2, 3, 39, 18, 37, 1 off from 36, close, 30, last row magic, 8, 33, 16, in there with the 6s, but the wrong one, 31, and 13. No luck. Well, we'll keep trying. So hit that like and subscribe and keep coming back. Thank you for watching.